While we are recording this, Bitcoin just broke $42,000. And you previously had identified that as a pretty big resistance. What do you think happens from here, fully knowing that you can't predict the future? But what is your thought process as to where we go?
Yeah, so like we've just broken horizontals resistance at 42K, and then we've also broken this diagonal resistance line. If you draw from like the wick up in the 60Ks, and then we also retested that on the way down when we came back to like we retested 60K and hit it, and then we retested it a couple of days ago. Anyway, so what I'm saying is we just broke out of two major trend lines, right? So both diagonally and horizontally. So I think there's really nothing but hair here till about 48K, but I think the 200-day moving average is going to give a bit of resistance, and that's right around 45K right now. So I'll be watching to see, we might take a pause, a little breather there, because that's kind of a mark that a lot of people in traditional finance look at to see kind of like, if an asset is in like a bullish or bearish phase, I guess you could say. So yeah, I would be looking for that, but I'm targeting right now 49.50K and seeing how we're going to kind of react there over I think it'll perhaps play out over the coming weeks.
Got it. Is there anything that people should be watching out for as we kind of break through that 42 and on the way up, other than prices? Is there anything on chain that you'll look for?
Just in general, like one thing was the volume, right? We were talking about how we want to see that pick up. That's one thing. And then also the long-term holder, you don't want to see them dumping and just looking for some kind of exit liquidity like we talked about earlier. SOPR stabilizing. And then in the very short term, just you can look at futures data, just see how funding's looking, look at OI and just basic stuff like that for like very short-term price movements.
Got it. Before I let you go, everyone loves when Will comes on. People even say Will season. What's kind of your final words or anything that you want to share with folks?
Hang in there, guys. This thing's gonna pop.
I love it. All right. Well, thank you so much for doing this every week. You're doing fantastic work. As I've told people, I'd say it without you here. You by far, I think, are leading the charge when it comes to on-chain metrics, and people are waking up to how important a lot of that data is. So folks can go follow you on Twitter or subscribe to your newsletter. Where should we send them on Twitter or the newsletter?
Yeah, sure. Thanks for having me on, man. I hope you guys get hype again. I know this is a little information heavy, but I'm gonna be watching after I get off. So you guys better get the energy going again. You can find me on Twitter at Clemente III, and then I have my newsletter is BTC by WC3 at Substack.com, which is also my Twitter bio.
Killing it, man. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching that clip of the Best Business Show. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you know when we go live every weekday, and then head to SoFi.com/pomp so that you can get an account and we can get after it.